for his life, sweated his life out into it. Do you mean bled his life out? Nope, sweated. I'd say fear sweat's the worst kind of sweat in terms of smell. Okay. We're inside the zone. This place doesn't look looted yet. If we're lucky, there's a car around here on this dirt road. So we loot this, we try to find a car, we get our ass to the military base. Fuck, that was me. Ah, Jesus, I fucking fat fingered that. There's a backpack inside here. And a UMP that I'm taking. Real sorry about that. Real sorry about that. Okay. It was a pistol. Because at the time I had, coming up onto this, it was, I had a pistol and a fucking bolt-action rifle. I didn't want to go in the house with a bolt-action rifle. Okay, I'm coming to you. I have, I got things for rifles. They're going to be right outside here. I got a compensator. That's all I have. Oh, yeah. You have the red dot. There you go. Shooting pretty close. And we're getting bombed. That was me. Opening doors? Yeah, that was me. You're about to get bombed, and you should. Whoa. That scared the fuck out of me. Yeah.